Now see this one, do not try at home. If your mouth no wide, don't try. If you don't get deep throat, don't try am. Hear me? If you cannot collect do not try this at home. Do not try this at home. If you get this wrong, don't try at home. Wait, somebody will bring one drink with drink inside so that I'll put it on my head so that you know.
This is like a full chicken. Please overlook the mess here in the kitchen. So I've actually killed the full chicken and I'm trying to cut it into bits. So this is the stew. I'm trying to fry the tomato and pepper, then I'll add the chicken. I already bought the rice, so the rice is ready. So it's remaining the stew. Here are the parts of the chicken. This is the heart. So this is the heart. Okay, see, this is also the parts, other parts of the chicken. So just overlook the mess in my kitchen because I'm really busy. Hi, so I went to the shop to get some items. I was having cravings for some snacks and I restocked on some things. So I got this for personal hygiene. I got this 1,700. I got this, my favorite snack, shortbread. I was craving for shortbread, like it's been a while, so I had to buy shortbread. I got this for 2,500. And I saw this snack, chin chin, and I wanted to have it, so yeah, I got this for 200. Also, oh my goodness, it's 1 p.m. and I've not eaten anything since yesterday, so I want to eat. I just finished preparing the stew and the rice, so I want to step it down with this. So I got this for 2,000. So yeah, those are the things. I just rushed to the store to get these things, and yeah, I'm really hungry, so let's go and eat.
Oh yeah,